What is your nobody will ever believe this story? I once left my house in nothing but a t-shirt and sweatpants in a very dark and depressed state, bought a pack of cigarettes, and told the universe that if it couldn't give me a good reason not to end myself by the time I finished the pack, I'd do it. I ended up seeing Daniel Radcliffe smoking a rollie outside of a Starbucks. I offered him a real cigarette pretending to have no idea who he was. "Oh, no, thank you," he said. "I much prefer the ritual of rolling my own." What I could have said was, "Well, yeah, that makes sense seeing as you're a wizard." What I did say was, "What's your name?" Given my pact, and with nothing to lose, I unloaded all my emotional baggage on him right there. We ended up talking on the curb for half an hour. He asked me about my tattoos and listened to me recite Shakespeare. Eventually he touched my shoulder, looked me in the eyes, and said, "I know there's no good way to say this, but please don't end yourself." He asked me some reasons why I don't. Well, my cat, my mom, my brother, right? Well, I'm glad the cat came first. Totally charming. Finally he announced that he was going to wander off that way. I'd left my house without my phone due to the nature of my pact with the universe. Having nothing but the cigarettes on me to distract me from my angst was part of it, and so made no attempt to follow him or to get his number. I went back to that Starbucks several times over the coming weeks to no avail.